In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a tax return on TurboTax. If you need a copy of your return for your records for a loan application or just to keep a backup on your device, TurboTax makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to find the download option from inside your account. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to TurboTax and viewing your current return. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side and click on Tax Tools. This section contains several account and filing related options, and it's the starting point for accessing your saved tax documents. After that menu opens, click on Tools. This will bring up an additional panel with more actions you can take related to your return. If you don't immediately see everything, give it a moment to load, since these menus can sometimes take a second to appear depending on your browser or internet speed. Next, click on View Tax Summary. This takes you out of the interview-style filing flow and into a summary view of your tax information. That's important because the print and download options are typically easier to access from this section rather than from the regular step-by-step filing screens. Once you are on the tax summary page, look for the Print Center and click on it. The Print Center is where TurboTax groups together options for printing, saving, or previewing your return. Even if you don't plan to print anything, this is still the place to go when you want to download a digital copy. From there, click on Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. This is the option that opens your tax return in a format you can review and download, usually as a PDF. After it opens, you can save the file to your computer or device so you have a local copy available anytime you need it. A helpful tip here is to save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or a clearly labeled Tax Documents folder. You may also want to rename the file so it includes the tax year, which makes it much easier to identify later. And that's it. By going to Tax Tools, then Tools, View Tax Summary, Print Center, and finally Print, Save, or Preview. This year's return, you can quickly access and download your TurboTax return.